Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Ford Focus. First, find a large, empty, and safe space like an abandoned parking lot to practice. Make sure your Ford Focus is in excellent working order, especially the tires and brakes. This method focuses on controlled slides, not high-speed maneuvers, so safety is paramount. We'll cover the handbrake turn, a common technique for initiating a drift in front-wheel drive cars. Remember, practice makes perfect, and always prioritize safety. To execute a handbrake turn, approach a corner at a moderate speed, perhaps 15 to 20 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, quickly depress the clutch pedal and pull the handbrake up for about 1 to 2 seconds. This will lock the rear wheels, causing the back of the car to slide out. As the car rotates, release the handbrake, release the clutch, and apply some throttle to pull the front of the car through the turn and regain control. Once the rear of your Focus begins to slide, you'll need to countersteer by turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide. This helps to maintain the drift. Use the throttle to control the angle and duration of the slide. More throttle will widen the drift, less will tighten it. To exit, gradually straighten the steering wheel, reduce throttle, and let the car pull itself straight. Smooth inputs are key for a controlled exit. Remember, safety is paramount when practicing any driving technique. Always choose a large, empty, and private area, free from obstacles or other vehicles. Start with very low speeds and gradually increase your pace as you become more comfortable and confident with the car's reactions. This isn't about reckless driving, but about understanding vehicle dynamics in a controlled environment. Also, for a different kind of control, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing safely and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.